Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what you can do if there's an AMD software error 195. So the possible cause is that it's unable to access web resources. So the solution is make sure you are running the latest version of the AMD Auto Detect and Install tool, which can be found here. So you're just going to download this and you can search for your driver, In this website, it says also check your antivirus software, configure system firewall settings, and consider installing the AMD software package later. It may be temporarily offline due to maintenance. So yeah, that's pretty much it. You can upgrade it here as well in Device Manager by right-clicking it and selecting Update Driver. And yeah, I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.